Hi, my name is Daniel Schwenk. I'm a R&D manager at Merida. In this video I want to give you some information about our aero seat posts of the Reacto, the Warp TT and the Warp Tri. The seat posts give you the opportunity to change your seat tube angle, and further you have the chance to clamp different types of rails.
The system both allows for horizontal adjustment as well as fine-tuning the effective seat tube angle. All you need to do is switch the position of the clamps. Flipping the seat post head over allows for horizontal or more seat tube angle adjustment. Even fitting saddles with round or oval rail profiles using the same clamps is no problem.